Want to know how to create discount emails in Mailchimp and boost your sales? Stick around as I walk you through the simple process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to design emails that grab your audience's attention and get them to take action, all while saving you time. Before we dive in, remember that you can try Mailchimp completely free and even unlock exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Let's get started. First, we need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is simple and completely free. Once you're logged in, head to the Campaigns tab in the top menu. This is where you'll manage all your email campaigns. Next, click the Create Campaign button, and from the options that appear, select Email. This will open a new window where you'll choose Regular Campaign for a standard email or Automated if you want the email to go out on a schedule. For now, let's stick with a regular campaign. Then, give your campaign a name, something simple like February Discount Email, and choose your recipient list. Make sure your list is up to date with the right contacts. Now, we'll move on to the fun part, designing your email. The next thing you'll want to do is select a template. Mailchimp has tons of pre-designed options, so pick one that suits your brand or campaign style. If you prefer a more personalized touch, you can start with a blank template and design it from scratch. Once you've chosen your template, you'll need to add the discount offer. Go ahead and drag and drop a text block into your email design. This is where you'll write the details of your discount. Be clear and specific. Include the discount percentage, any special terms, and, of course, the expiration date. Don't forget to make your offer stand out with a strong call to action, like claim your discount today. Next, add a button or a link to take your recipients directly to your offer page. You can customize this button to match your brand's colors and make sure it's super visible. This is a crucial step, as your customers need to know exactly how to redeem the discount. For the fourth thing, let's talk about personalizing your email. Mailchimp allows you to include merge tags, which will help you address each recipient by their first name and make the email feel more personal. You can add these tags anywhere in the email, especially in the subject line and greeting, which increases open rates and engagement. Now that you've got your email looking great, let's move on to testing. Before sending it out to your entire list, always send a test email to yourself. Check the formatting, links, and overall design to ensure everything looks perfect. If everything checks out, it's time to schedule or send your email. Before you go, remember that Mailchimp isn't just for discount emails. You can create automated workflows, manage your contacts, and analyze your email performance, all with the free version. And don't forget, if you click the first link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended trial with all the features you need to get started today. That's how you create discount emails in Mailchimp. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, check out the link below to get started with Mailchimp and enjoy that exclusive offer.